In this tutorial, we want to learn how to link multiple accounts together. So, and all you need is just the manager ID from the account you want to link into this account. Now, this is my account. Let me just say this is my website manager. Even if it is app manager, both have the same features. So this is my website manager, and I have another website manager. Or let me just I have another website that I want to be managing through this manager. So how are you going to do that? Now you log into the website manager I want to link into this particular one. Now go straight to settings like this. So click on settings. Scroll down, you see your manager here. You can see manager ID. So that's how to get your manager ID. And after getting it, you come straight to this place. You can see link account. After that, click on plus. Then you can see, so provide the manager ID. Then click on add. You can see it's added successfully. The name of the website I added is just my sample website. So this is my particular website. This is my particular manager is not my sample website. You can see the name of this one, Demo Web School. So, but for this one is my sample website. So click on this. I'm inside my sample website. Let me go straight to settings so that you can confirm that. This is settings. You can see my sample website. So I enter this my sample website through my demo website. Okay, now to do that again, link account, click on it. You can see I can still go back to my demo website, my demo school. So click on this. You can see. So that's how to link multiple accounts together on your website manager.